Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Misters of Filipinas Worldwide Batangas 2024 candidates are set to compete for the title that will allow the winner to represent Batangas in the upcoming Mr. Filipinas Worldwide pageant. These young men will showcase their talents, charisma, and advocacies aiming to make an impact on both the national and international stage. Calacas City, John Rain Espina. Representing Calacas City brings charisma and a deep sense of purpose to the competition. A natural leader, he is passionate about health and fitness, emphasizing the importance of maintaining both physical and mental well-being. John Rain is committed to promoting a healthy lifestyle and advocating for mental health awareness, especially among the youth. With a strong foundation in sports and community service, he has the drive to make a difference. His approachable nature, coupled with his dedication to his advocacy, make him a standout candidate who aims to inspire others through his action and leadership.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!